there's something that I love more than going to twitter.com, my favorite website, my absolute favorite website. Ooh, I love Twitter. And going on Twitter and looking at my feed and seeing for the 100th day in a row, people tweeting, pineapple on pizza, you know what I mean? People are like, ah, you like pineapple on pizza? Ha, ha. And someone else will be like, I like pineapple on pizza. And they're like, you suck, you like pineapple on pizza? Fuck you, you like pineapple on pizza. And I'm like, this is so awesome. I love reading those threads. I love going to twitch.tv, seeing my favorite streamers, touch their chat with pizza toppings. Do you like pineapple on pizza? Oh, you like pineapple on pizza? He doesn't like pineapple on pizza. Oh man, I love it. I love pizza topping related content, whether it's a tweet or a video or a stream or whatever. Oh man, there's something I love more than pizza topping content. So I decided, you know what? I'm gonna step it up. I'm gonna throw in my towel to the pool for pizza content, pizza topping related content. I got the oven on right now. It's preheating with the pizza stone in there. Yes, I use pizza stone. So what? You know, I can do that. I use pizza stone. So what? I'm serious about this. And I'm gonna be making broccoli pizza. Now, it sounds bad. I know it sounds bad. I know it sounds terrible. I know when you think of broccoli as a topping on pizza, it sounds bad if you just think about it. Like if you imagine a pepperoni pizza and then throwing on broccoli to that pizza, it's gonna, and it just doesn't, that's not gonna be good. And you're right, that's not gonna be good. There are several problems that you don't, that are in your head that cause that broccoli pizza to be bad in your head. There are several things that you need to realize with my broccoli pizza that will, look, I'm gonna say is I will explain everything. I will explain how it could be good. Now the first most important thing is the sauce. There's no tomato sauce. I have tomato sauce in the fridge. I'm not gonna use it because this recipe does not use tomato sauce. It uses garlic and butter. Literally, you melt some butter and then you mince some garlic, or you have some already minced garlic, and you put that in the melted butter, you stir it, and you have a garlic butter sauce. That's what you use for the sauce. No tomato sauce at all. Alright? Second thing that I needed to say is that also, well, I think broccoli and meat can go together well. I mean, just broccoli beef, I mean, that is a well-known combination. Broccoli and chicken, pretty sure, well-known combination. Broccoli and beef does go well, but I don't think it would go well with most pizza toppings. Maybe you could get away with ham. You could probably get away with broccoli and ham on a pizza, but broccoli and pepperoni, broccoli and sausage, those just do not sound good to me. That's why this pizza does not have any meat on it. It is only veggies. So yeah, we're gonna make a broccoli pizza. It's gonna be awesome. And I'm telling you right now, this pizza is so good. This pizza is so stupidly good. It has no right to be this good. So all I'm gonna say is keep watching and just find out what I mean, and you'll see what I mean. Broccoli pizza is amazing, and thanks for watching. Keep watching. Alrighty, so I already had some onions that are kind of cut up, but I gotta make them a little bit more closer to like pizza topping size. So I'm gonna very inefficiently cut up these onions. Not very good at this kind of thing. I just put all the onions short on this bowl. We got the broccoli. This is what it looks like. Obviously, broccoli. Break them up a bit, and you don't want too much stemmy bits in here. I mean, maybe you like that, but like this whole thing right here, I'm gonna try to not have this in the pizza. And you know, the cool thing about broccoli is that since it's broccoli, doesn't matter how much you put on because it's broccoli. Like, it's not gonna, the calories really aren't gonna add up. So it's just a great topping for that reason. I'm gonna put a little paper towel over it, and I'm gonna put it in the microwave. Now, I'm not sure how normal it is to like heat up in the microwave like your vegetables before you put them on your pizza, but it's something I like to do just to make sure that they get cooked well. It's gonna cook a lot in the oven, but it's just very variable. I'm gonna run this for 4 minutes. I might stop it early. So that's on there for 4 minutes. We'll see how that goes. So I got some bread flour here. It's what I use to make the dough. All right, so now I have my dough. Here it is. I'm gonna put a little bit more flour on top of this right here. So I'm gonna use a little technique that I invented to do this. I'm gonna get this side pretty good. So I want this to be able to come off the plate easily. That's why I floured the other side pretty well. You know, this side is actually going to be the side that makes contact with the pizza peel directly. So I'm going to take this cornmeal and do a kind of a small-ish layer on the front here. And don't be afraid to rub it around and equally distribute it. So now I've done that. Now I'm going to try to transfer it over to a pizza peel. I'm going to get my pizza peel. Okay. Got the pizza peel. And I'm just going to try to flip this over directly on it. This part can be messy. Just a warning, I mean, this all can be messy. Kind of got some cornmeal everywhere, but that's fine. As you can see, I mean, it just slides like a freaking beast on this pizza peel because of how we prepared that. So that's gonna slide into the oven perfectly because I did it perfectly. And that is my patented technique. Garlic butter time. Now, this is how much butter I'm gonna use. I mean, that might be a lot of butter to some people. Maybe it's a little bit of butter. I don't know. It's about the size I'll probably need. I might have a little bit extra. So I'm just gonna microwave this. My butter was kind of going ham in there because I forgot how fast butter melts. This is minced garlic. This stuff is good. And I'm just gonna put a decent amount in here. You know, I'm a fan of garlic, so I will definitely squeeze a decent amount into there. And I'm just gonna literally put it right on. So there it is. So there it is. Our garlic sauce is on. Now it's cheese time. So there's the cheese. And now the broccoli, which is pretty hot still. This broccoli and onions are hot, so I'm just gonna kind of scoop them on. Yeah, that is absolutely like loaded. So this is ready to go into the oven. And open it up. Pizza's done. You're gonna get some spillage. That's just a sacrifice you have to make. You're gonna burn some broccolis. I'm okay with that L. So now we're just gonna wait for this to cook. Okay, well I think it's about time to take the sucker out. I didn't really talk about how much time I cook it for. That's because I don't have a time. It also depends on how long your oven's been preheating a bit. And it depends on a lot of things, your oven, your stone, what you're using. I just do it purely based on eye. And I think it is good as it is right now. Alright. Here it is. Go. Cool. Here we are. This is the broccoli pizza. Turn off the oven. Now let's take a look at this pizza. Damn, that pizza look good as fuck though.
This pizza looks insane. Look at it. It looks insane. And as you can see, remember how many toppings I had? It doesn't look as crazy now. Maybe it does. I think it cooks down a bit. But you really want your crust to crisp up. I mean, some people don't, but I do. Because that way the whole pizza, the whole crust is crispy, if you know the edges are crispy. At least I think. So I'm kind of going to attempt to cut this. It's like a square and a circle. My pizzas always end up in this shape. And that imperfection is just kind of what makes it insane. You know, you go to a Pizza Shuttle, Pizza Hut, Pizza Bell. You go to a pizza place and their pizzas are perfectly cut. And I think that is just pathetic. That is not... There's some variety in your pizza shape. Alright, I'm gonna get a slice. Get a slice real quick. There's my slice. We're gonna taste the pizza. Here it is, we got the pizza. I mean, look at the cheese, man. That is perfect. What can I say? The garlic in this really makes it. You do not skimp out on the garlic. That's amazing. Maybe I let it go a little bit too long. Just be careful. I actually had my oven, I didn't even talk about this, I had my oven on convection bake at 550. And I don't know, the broccoli might be a little bit too cooked. It was really hot. There's some spots, but for the most part it's good. The broccoli isn't gonna burn up that easily. I'm gonna have to be in there for a long time for it to get burnt. Like, I can take this little bit of broccoli right here, eat it plain. No, yeah, that's good. That does not taste burnt, it just is crispy. And it's good, and it works on this pizza. So please try this pizza. This pizza is so good. You got to try it. And that's it. That's all I have to say. You have to try this pizza. You have to do this. This isn't supposed to be a recipe as much as it is like here's this concept. Do some cheese. Doesn't have to be a certain kind of cheese. I would say cheddar. Get some broccoli, get some onions. You put maybe some other vegetables if you want. You do need the garlic butter sauce. You could probably maybe experiment with other things. You can use garlic powder if you don't have minced, you don't have actual garlic. Of course, I used pre-minced garlic. You can get fresh garlic and mince it yourself. There's a lot of room here. I'm not trying to say a recipe. I'm just putting the idea in your head, and I want you to run with it. So, please, you gotta try this pizza. And thanks for watching.